So Viva Plankton started right here at the beach. It was while practicing yoga that I came to the idea that something needed to be done about the decimation of life out there. And it's all about the lack of food in the ocean. If we're going to rewild the oceans, we have to start by repopulating and feeding the oceans by bringing to the starving populations of the oceans the very base of their food chain. As opposed to geoengineering, rewilding as a concept means to bring back natural processes to their natural standard, and by that Viva Plankton is trying to rewild the oceans with a native population of plankton that belongs to each particular ecosystem. Here in the Caribbean, there is a type of plankton that doesn't exist in more temperate areas, like let's say in the Arctic or in the Antarctic. So the idea is to work locally, rewilding the oceans, planting back in the oceans, so to speak, the plankton that belongs to every specific area, in the coast of Chile or in the coast of China. Those planktonic populations might differ a lot. What we intend to do is to create programs that will allow that rewilding at a macro, standard, and micro level. We'll talk about it. Plankton's core team is Jorge David as technical director, Robert M. Acree as vice president, and myself, Santo Desiderio. Viva Plankton's team is excited to work with researchers locally here in Miami, across the nation, and globally for that matter, to solve the problems that we are talking about. The global acidification, global warming, and lack of food for the animals and plants in the ocean. Bottom line is, when I was doing yoga at the beach, I came to the realization that we all need to do something about the ocean population's decimation. The oceans are going dead because of human action, and we all can together make a big difference for the populations to go back to at least standard levels. I mean by standard levels, the levels where populations were before industrialization began.